Hi all, this is Mike here. In today's video, I'm gonna actually just show you guys how to exit beta. From the Huawei P10 Plus. Because I've been switching my phone to the P20 Pro. I actually managed to get one of it, so I'm gonna test that out for a few months, and now I'm gonna do the exit beta for the Huawei P10 Plus. The Huawei P10 Plus, I already actually got the latest Android Oreo update from the look at about phone. You can look at the C636. This is one of the latest stable update for Android Oreo. So since the phone already received the Android Oreo update, then the beta apps itself, it's not useful anymore. As you can see, I don't have any available project now for me to sign out. I didn't put in the SIM card, but basically I checked, there isn't any available project for me to sign out of, and basically these beta apps, there's nothing much you can do about it anymore, right? You can actually log out of it or uninstall the app so that you can actually just leave it as it is. But as for my case, because I won't be using this phone anymore, as I'm gonna actually pass it on to some of my friends. I'm gonna sell it off. So end of the day, what I'm showing you today is to do a clean reset of the Huawei P10 Plus, so that you'll be running Android Oreo stable on the Huawei P10 Plus itself. So normally what you can do is just to go to the system side. Okay, so when you are in the system page itself, so what you can do is just to go a reset, and you can do a factory data reset, and it will erase everything that you have in the thing itself. Just do a reset phone and do a reset phone. So you'll start actually erasing everything from your phone, and you just need to let it boot for the process to be completed. This process will take a while, so we'll just wait until everything get reset back to the stock factory settings. Okay, so once it's reset, then you can actually just go for setup English United States, and next. You can skip this for now. Agree. Later. Disagree. Agree. Next. You can choose to connect to network, or you can skip it. Then this one is the Google stuff. You can actually just set up as new. Skip. Okay. Now. Skip. Get started. So this will be the default if you look at it. So if you look at the system updates and about phone, as you can see, this is the latest 636 firmware update, Android 8. So now you are basically on a fresh Android 8 Android 8 firmware, and there won't be any beta apps available anymore. So logically, it's up to you. For those that are on beta apps, if you actually receive the 636 firmware update about phone, 636 firmware update, if you actually receive this, then logically you should be able to just uninstall the beta app itself, because you are no longer in beta. For those that who wanted to actually ask a question of, since I've installed the beta apps and I can't actually exit the beta app, so what should I do and stuff. If you're okay with factory resetting everything, then you can do this. If you are not, then you can just uninstall the beta app, and I think it's fine, because once you receive this firmware itself, it's official. So the beta apps is not going to be used anymore. So it's totally up to you how you want to actually do it. So that's all I have for the video today. Do leave me questions if you guys have any questions down below. And that's all for today. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.